Hello, if you are using Final Cut Pro, then it's very common that your hard disk will be filled up very quickly. Right now, here you see that this is my Final Cut Pro, and here I generally edit most of the videos. So the problem is, if I want to modify anything, Final Cut creates a temporary space on my hard disk. So in this way, it quickly this Final Cut Pro, it quickly eats all the empty space, and my hard disk space always become low. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can free this empty space which is occupied by Final Cut Pro. Those things basically you don't need mostly, and you can remove it. Before going to do this thing, I recommend it always try to backup so that you cannot lose anything. So if you don't take the backup, the clips or the cache which I am going to delete, you cannot recover. So before doing anything, always take a backup of all your clips. Now let's see how we can do this thing. At first, let me show you. This is the Final Cut Pro. So I'm going to close it because I don't need it anymore. So I'm going to press Command Q to quite completely, and now I'm going to open the Final Cut settings. So this is a new desktop. So I'm going to press this Apple icon and it will be expanded, and from here we have to go system settings. I'm going to click here, and the system settings window will be open shortly. Once the system settings window is open, then we just need to go general, and here we'll find storage. But if we scroll down, there are other options are there, but we don't need, because we are dealing with only the Final Cut space, like temporary space. So I'm going to click storage, and it will bring like this. And here you see that 1 terabyte of 1 terabyte is used. That means I have very limited space, only 997 gigabyte out of 1 terabyte. Very little amount of space is available for my Mac computer. So now let's see which software is consuming that much space. So here it is showing like this much space it is taking, and only this much space is available. To check that, we can press the eye icon of documents, and it will open in a new tab, in a new window like this. Once it is opened, you will see that here is the kind, this is called Final Cut Pro library, something like that. And here if you check the space, it is showing 225,000, that means 225 gigabyte of space it is consuming, this Final Cut Pro, and the extension is FCP bundle. So this is the Final Cut Pro bundle. So it is taking most of the space of my hard disk, which is basically when I actually edit any of the video clips or create a video, then Final Cut Pro, this is taking that much space, and it is occupied that much space. So I told you before before deleting this thing, we just need to back up your files. Remember it, because you cannot recover it. So now I'm going to delete it and make the space available for other videos. I mean other video editing or other programs. So let's see how we can do this thing. We have to select it, and then there is a button delete. We just need to click here, and it will give us this type of thing like, are you sure you want to delete this thing? Yes, we want to delete, because this is taking too much space, which I don't need. All the clips or videos I don't need. That's why I'm going to press delete button. Once I press delete button, you need to wait like few seconds, like 10 seconds to 15 seconds, and very shortly you will see it will be gone, and that much space will be freed up. So still it is there, it's not deleting, it is deleting, but the deletion is not complete. So we have to wait. Don't press done, because it will not delete properly. So now it is gone. So that means that file has been deleted. Now we need to press done button to close this thing, and here you will see that now there is so much space, like 255 gigabyte of space is free now. So that's it, guys. Once you delete this thing, then you can close this thing, and in this way basically we can easily delete the temporary space which actually Final Cut is using for editing the video clips and files. Thank you guys for watching the video.